Hey guys, welcome to the Moto Barn. My name's Colin, and this is my CB750. So today in the shop I'm going to be disassembling my bike a little bit more. It's been about a week since I've been up here. Life has just been kind of crazy lately. I have a pretty awesome full-time job at a power sports place locally, and pretty blessed to have that, but you know, gotta pay the bills, so gotta work. But now I'm here. It's been about a week, like I said, so I'm pretty eager to get started on getting this thing back on the road, which is it's gonna be a long process, but I'm excited, and so let's get started. Nasty old horn. By the way, I have my girlfriend with me today. Say hi!
Hi.
I'm replacing these anyway, so it doesn't really matter if they're cracked. Get off of here. Ah, it's off. Come on. I'll fall over a little bike. Get off. Handlebar. Ah. They were free! Just about. Oh my gosh. That was rusty. That hurt. Nope, I'm alright. Yeah, I think so. It's been a while.
For like 10 years.
I may have got one when I went to South Africa on that mission trip. That was that.
They hurt a lot.
Well, I don't know. I mean, it's not a common thing they give for just going overseas, is it? Yeah, I probably need a tetanus shot. Always make sure to take a lot of reference pictures, like I do. I take it with my camera and my camera on my phone, just to kind of make sure I can get everything back together like it should be. But of course there's manuals and all that good stuff out there as well, so just be prepared. Like, perfect example right now. I'm going to take a picture of these wires. There's the ignition coil, you know, spark plug boot. That's nice. I don't know if this is focusing, but here's one ignition coil, here's the other, and as you can tell, there's a massive crack through here. More than likely, that will need to be replaced, and I'll probably just go ahead and replace both. But later on, I'll probably be testing this and showing you guys how to do the same. Look at that! Oh, the wires. Yeah! So you should see what just came out of this headlight assembly and all. Look at all this dirt. Ridiculous. I don't know where this poor CB750 had been sitting, but my gosh, I don't even know what the heck this stuff is. Like dirt, you know, and rust. I don't think it's gonna focus. But anyways, I thought you guys would get a kick out of that. Okay, so I think one of the last things I'm going to work on today is trying to get this entire exhaust system off. So I've been spraying a bunch of PB Blaster and WD-40 and just soaking the bolts as best as I can, because if they're even half as bad as those 2 or 3 spark plugs were to get out, we're in for a treat. This is going to be fun, so let's get cracking on it. Bigger task is going to be getting the engine out. It's not that hard to disassemble or take the nuts and bolts out. It's just pretty darn heavy, and there's a way that Honda says to do it, so I gotta look that up in the manual, because like the frame actually swings out, kind of, or swings down, which is kind of nice. But I gotta have like something ready for it to put it on. Huh? A scooter? Put the engine on a scooter, she says. I like that idea.
The bottom of one of the...
Huh?
What am I talking about?
What?
It's like just a little square piece on wheels.
Yeah, I do. Papa,
Scooter.
my papa actually has something like that I could probably use.
Do you call them scooters?
A scooter. I don't think so, but maybe I'm wrong.
You use it to scoot things.
So creative. Scooter. Okay. Sweet. Well, that's loose. That's good, I think. Sweet. It's out. And it is dirty. So take a look at this exhaust I've pulled off. This is from my CB750, but it's an aftermarket 4-into-1 Bassani, but it's made for CB900. I don't know what it's doing on this bike, but anyways, take a look at the bottom here. really dented up. There's some holes. Pretty rusty and pretty rotted. Other than this little section though, it's actually not bad at all. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably, there's a donor bike I'm looking at that's actually really nice, just missing some components. Probably gonna pick that up. Thankfully it's really cheap as well, but it's been kept a lot nicer. And it has the stock exhaust, so maybe I'll just use that. Well guys, I got a lot done today. I got the exhaust off, I got the wiring harness off, and yeah, I think that's about it. Pretty successful day, and I'm pretty happy about it. So it's been about, I don't know, two and a half hours up here, and I've had a really good day. So here's what I got, here's what's left. Next to come, I'm going to take the engine out, and from there, take the rest of the bits off, and see what I got, and we'll go from there. I hope you'll stay tuned. Please hit subscribe, like, check me out on Instagram at the Moto Barn, and hope you'll stay tuned. I'll see you next time.